Today on Designing Spaces. Don't bug out. Solutions to rid your home of those pesky critters. Flooring made easy, especially when it comes to you resurfacing your pool to a diamond bright finish and keeping your pets safe. Time to design. Our home is indeed our castle, but don't bug out, because sometimes we are inadvertently sharing our space with some unwanted creepy crawlers. They may be lurking under the floorboards, perhaps even in our beds. But help is on the way. One unique service is making sure we can have peace of mind at home, from the inside out.
Pompano Beach is awesome. For me, it's the best place in South Florida. It's a little break from all the craziness that's going on in Miami, but you still get to enjoy the beach. You still get to enjoy everything that South Florida has to offer.
My name is Morel.
And my name's Dominic.
So we treat pest activity of all kinds in residential homes. So I show up to a customer's home, take care of their pest problems, both inside and out. My name is Trent Fraser. I'm a certified service professional for Aptive Environmental. I'm here to take care of the customer here. So I'm going to be matching the customer with the perfect package that's custom suited to make sure we take care of their pest problem entirely.
The roaches are definitely the worst.
There's a lot of concerns that I have about the pests. I don't want anybody in my family to get sick from any of the things that they might transmit.
The spider was really a scare because I think it was a dangerous spider that we had out back.
We thought it was a brown recluse that ended up being a wolf spider, but still, you don't want spiders everywhere biting people. Well, it's like an invasion. You don't really feel safe. I mean, these little things are just everywhere. They're eating the wood in your attic. They're crawling in your walls. There's no escape.
I had a roach crawl on the wall in my room and I just could not handle it. So it was a really scary. I'm really scared of roaches in particular.
Yeah, as a service professional, I have the opportunity to make sure our customers enjoy their home. So I'm able to arrive here, assess the situation, see what the problem is, see what might be causing it, and take care of it for them.
Oh my gosh, I can't sleep. I literally stayed up all night one night because I saw one. And then finally fell asleep, but I left all the lights on. If I see one under the couch, I have to pull everything away and I can't sleep until I actually find it and kill it.
So when I arrived, I talked to Dominic and Morel about their pest problem. They communicated that they had a lot of roach problems, and that's what she was primarily concerned about. And so I assessed the situation, inspected their kitchen, and did see some roach activity. So I know exactly what to do to take care of that. Also saw their spider and ant activity, and so I'm gonna be treating both the current condition to make sure that I take care of what's here now, and then putting treatments down to make sure that I can take care of them for the future as well.
We just couldn't handle it ourselves anymore because we were trying to, treat and get rid of them and clean the house and do everything we could. But the truth is, once they get in, you can clean the house as much as you want. You can try to get your own kind of store-bought products, but nothing compares to getting a professional in here to do the job.
So when I was hired by Aptive, they put me through a pretty intensive curriculum where they taught me that in order to take care of pests, I have to know where they live, what they're eating, what they're drinking, and how they're entering. And so if I identify what they're eating, then I can resolve that with the customer to make sure that there's no reason to be there in the first place. If I know where they're living, then I can treat them there, treat them at the source, and take care of them. And then if I know where they're entering, I can put down a barrier and protect the home itself. So that way I can get rid of what's here now, and I can create an environment where they won't be able to reinfest and come back inside the home.
Before Aptive, it was like having an invasion. I didn't feel safe in my home, my kids didn't feel safe, my wife really didn't feel safe. So after Aptive, it was like we could breathe free and we were able to relax and enjoy our home.
Customers want to feel safe in their home, so we use the highest quality products and service to provide that peace of mind.
My advice is if you're thinking about calling Aptive, to do it, because who wants to live with all these pests? It's like an invasion.
I have peace of mind now after using Aptive because I know that my home is safe for my pets and my children, and we can just enjoy everything and not worry about any pests.
My favorite part of my job is I get to serve my customers all day long. It's extremely gratifying for me. And if the bugs come back, Aptive comes back at no additional cost.
To learn more about Aptive and keeping your home pest-free, visit goaptive.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. Every step you take connects you to a surface, space, or place, and the moments and feelings you experience along the way. But there's no connection like the one you have with your home. It's your foundation for life's most meaningful moments. One company has found a way to make the process extremely convenient, keeping homeowners from coast to coast absolutely floored.
Hi, I'm Tracy,
Hi, I'm John.
and we live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. When we moved here, everything was white on white on white. And we walked to the beach, we have dogs, and we wanted something that was gonna be a little bit more lifestyle friendly. It all started with flooring. That's how it started, because I was going crazy with my grout. He couldn't stand hearing about the grout anymore. And so that's how we started this whole process with finding floors.
I would say that flooring is your base for your design. Flooring is where you should start and you build up from there. That's kind of your backdrop. The flooring, walls, and ceiling kind of all plays a really big role in how your final design comes out. Once you decide on your flooring, then you can start looking at your cabinetry, your wall colors, and then build based upon what your base is.
With Floor Coverings International, we're going to be there for you from start to finish. So from the initial picking out of the product all the way to the install.
FCI was literally a showroom in a truck that came to my house that brought the actual samples.
We have a mobile flooring showroom. It's really our partner in crime. It allows us to meet anywhere, wherever a homeowner is or a business owner, and we can bring them full-size samples so they can match it up next to their furniture, next to their kitchen cabinets, look at their lighting.
It was a no-brainer. From that point on, I knew that I didn't have to go anywhere else. We chose Floor Coverings International because the price was right. Every person that we spoke with at the company was so professional, so friendly, so eager to answer every question we have, helped our designer with every step of the process. It was effortless.
There's local owners from coast to coast. You're going to be able to find an FCI location close to you.
For anyone, I would go straight to Floor Coverings International. You don't have to leave your house. They have a full selection of everything you need. And it's one-stop shopping, and their prices are phenomenal. I wouldn't go anywhere else.
To learn more about Floor Coverings International and how they can help you furnish your home with high-quality floors, visit fcifloors.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. A beautiful day as the Dannemans in Boynton Beach, Florida enjoy their pool. Like many pool owners, they love the outdoor oasis they've created.
As you can see, we have a really nice, beautiful backyard. The pool is the main focal point, and I'm sitting outside all the time, so I want something beautiful to be looking at while I'm watching the kids play.
We love to barbecue, we have friends over, so we want it to look good. You know, we don't want an old pool, so we want it really beautiful.
I do think with all the new stuff out there, we could step it up with our pool a little bit. I would love to explore to see what some of the options are.
Definitely, it's getting a little bit dated, and we just want it to look fresh and beautiful.
And there's so many options. It can be very overwhelming. We need some guidance, and honestly, we don't know where to start.
Looking to update the look of their pool? Designing Spaces has invited Miles McKee from SGM Southern Grouts and Mortars to help Greg and Ryan understand the options available.
So I see your guys' wonderful backyard. I know there's some landscaping going on, but tell me about what you guys are trying to do.
Well, we're in the pool, in the backyard all the time. We are just looking to upgrade our pool. We want something that looks a little nicer, and I know there's a lot of options out there.
Our surface, to me, looks a little dated, and I would prefer a different color, honestly.
So great, so it looks like you guys are trying to resurface your pool, which is an easy process. So first thing you want to do is look at your backyard, see where the shadows hit the pool, so then you can get an idea of what kind of color you're going to want to put into the pool. Because picking the watercolor is more important than the finish color. So you want to figure out what color you want the water to be. Deep blue, light blue, a lagoon, dark color. So to find the right surface, you want to know, first of all, what your aesthetics want to be. If you want that lagoon, larger rock look, then you're going to go for a pebble finish. If you want a uniform, beautiful blue that kind of gives off the resort vibe, then you're going to go for an exposed aggregate finish. That's usually the industry standard, would be an exposed aggregate finish, because it's going to be the most versatile and it's going to be the most comfortable.
And what actual product are we picking? Are there different brands?
When you're looking for a product, you first want to look for somebody that's been in the industry for a long time. You want to find somebody that has tried and true formula. You also want to look for somebody that pre-blends the product in the bag so that there's no worries about somebody bait and switching you or cutting the product. I recommend Diamond Bright. That is our product.
I've heard of it.
SGM,
I've heard of.
Exactly. SGM Diamond Bright, we've been around forever. We're the inventors of Diamond Bright. We have over 40 years of experience in this industry, and we are confident in every bag of product that we put out. So you know if you're using our stuff that you're gonna get great customer service, you're gonna get a beautiful pool, and you're gonna get exactly what you want.
So how do we get the best look for our pool?
Well, why don't I show you guys some of the projects that we've done in the past, some of the pools that we've finished, and it'll help you guys pick the color and the finish that you guys want for your pool.
That sounds good.
Sounds easy.
With the help of Miles, the Dannemans have resurfaced their pool and are now enjoying their new look. Miles has stopped by to see it for himself.
Wow, guys, the pool came out fantastic. I'm so happy for you guys. What do you think?
We are loving it. We're outside constantly because the kids just want to be in this pool. It's almost like a new pool.
Yeah.
You were right about the light hitting the water and the colors, the way the shadows, it's beautiful.
Well, I'm so happy that you guys got the Diamond Bright Jewels. It's our best finish yet.
I mean, the color, it pops so amazingly. I'm just worried a little bit about the sunlight hitting. It's in direct sunlight all day.
Don't worry about that. The Diamond Bright Jewels, we ceramically coat every single rock, so you don't have to worry about fading. It's our newest, best product. We've spent years innovating it. It's all ceramically coated rocks, so you will not have to worry about UV fading or pH fading.
Great, I see us spending even more and more time out here.
Yeah, we really love it. Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your help.
I'm so happy for you guys. Thank you for choosing Diamond Bright.
For more information, check out sgm.cc or our website, designingspaces.tv. Americans love their pets. We spend over $100 billion a year on their safety and care. And when it comes to keeping our four-legged best friends safe, it's important we choose wisely and put our trust in the right hands, or paws, as the case may be.
Hi, I'm Melanie Clayman, or better known as the dog mom to Instagram celebrity therapy dogs, the three retrievers, Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston. I grew up with small dogs, but I've always loved Goldens and Labs. So as soon as I graduated from college, I got my first Golden Retriever, Parker. Since then, I've had 4 more Goldens and a Lab, all of which have become certified therapy dogs. I also feature their work on our social media page, The Three Retrievers, to spread more joy around the world. In order to do this successfully, I must keep their safety and continuous training at the top of my priorities, and this is why I invested in Invisible Fence brand and their top-notch trainers like Ashley.
Hi, Melanie.
Hi.
These guys are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for putting your faith in us.
Of course.
So can you tell me about your experience at Invisible Fence brand?
You bet. Like most pet owners, our dogs are part of our family, so safety is our #1 priority. So I just did some research and I found Invisible Fence brand, and they came out and installed the underground fence system, which was a huge game changer.
I bet. So I also know you have some of our indoor solutions. Can you share that experience with us?
Oh yes, we do. So in this home, we have the Dorman pet door installed, and it's just so great knowing that the dogs can go in and out as they please.
Now I noticed too, when we walked in with 4 dogs, none of them went right up to us, but I did see something there.
Yes, so Invisible Fence makes these indoor shield units that I can put in front of the front door, and it prevents the dogs from getting too close to the front door, so when guests come over, they don't immediately go up to them and start jumping on them, and they can't run out the front door and start roaming the neighborhood.
That's right, and Invisible Fence brand is more than just working with dogs, and actually here to tell us more about that is Tyler.
That's right, Ashley. Our solutions cater to all pets, not just cats and dogs. You need to keep your cat away from a hamster cage? We can absolutely help with that.
And unlike other brands, we really focus on the individual training of the dog. So we customize it to what you and your dog needs. And when we combine the training with our range of products, we have over a 99% retention rate.
Come on, let's take a look. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, Invisible Fence has your back. We can help keep dogs out of certain areas like bedrooms, deter cats from jumping onto counters, or even allow pets to roam off leash in their yard. Our goal is to create a space where pets can thrive while providing peace of mind to their owners. Our newest product is our GPS collar, equipped with the world's most accurate GPS fence technology. You can customize and design up to 20 fences, whether you're on the go or at home. And you gain exclusive access to our GPS video series.
Another one of our offerings is our manners obedience training, where we start in the home with you, your family, and your dog, and focus on the goals that you have with each other.
And speaking of being on their best behavior,
when the dogs travel to hotels, schools, and other places, I can bring the portable indoor shields unit with me to create areas that are off limits in indoor spaces on the go. And if we ever have any questions or need assistance, Invisible Fence brand is always there for us. They have real people that come out and come up with a solution that works for us and our pets' needs. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston are safe and happy is truly priceless. And I really appreciate that Invisible Fence brand is committed to supporting animal rescues and shelters.
It is great. We really are passionate about the community. Each year, we host a From the Shelter to Forever Home contest, where you can nominate a shelter to win a variety of cash prizes. Enhance your bond and keep your pet safe with Invisible Fence brand, and join us in our mission to support local animal shelters and rescues.
Invisible Fence Solutions, protecting pets, empowering owners. To learn more, follow at Invisible Fence and at the 3 Retrievers. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.